how to disable Windows 11 login password and lock screen in 2021 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by hovering over the Windows Start button and right-clicking it, then going over to Settings, which will open up the system settings. What you now want to do is on the left, come down to Accounts. Next step would be to click on Sign In Options. And in order to disable your Windows 11 login password, you come down to Additional Settings, scroll down, and then you see if you've been away. When should Windows require you to sign in again? It says when PC wakes up from sleep. You want to open up the drop-down menu and hit Never. Now, this will already be saved, and your Windows 11 login password and lock screen will be disabled. You won't have to log in again when starting up. I'll keep it as when PC wakes up from sleep, just as a security measure. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.